The majority of people wash raw chicken before they cook it. Yet, we are all aware that it contains dangerous bacteria, so it is wise to be more cautious and rinse it off before you start cooking it. Yet, it seems that you have caused the opposite effects. The Food Standards Agency claims that the process of washing the chicken may spread the dangerous bacteria instead of disinfecting them. According to scientists at Drexel University, when we wash chicken in the sink, we might be contaminating the whole area. Water can splash off the chicken, up to 20 inches away in any direction. These splashes of water can carry bacteria and may land on clean dishes drying in the dish drainer, or on nearby food and contaminate them. Raw chicken can carry two very common bacteria, Salmonella and Campylobacter, which may have many consequences, from diarrhea to the development of an autoimmune system disease. According to several published studies, 47% of people who wash their chicken are affected in one way or another by these bacteria. The bacteria present in raw chicken will be eliminated when you cook it. However, if the bacteria is in the sink, it won't. This is such a serious subject that 2 colleges in the United States started a campaign called "Don't Wash Your Chicken" in order to avoid contamination. Anytime you are going to prepare raw foods, vegetables, beef, chicken or fish, move any food that is ready to eat or clean dishes away from that area. After touching the foods, disinfect the affected area with hot water. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.